من عمل صالحا من ذكر أو أنثى وهو مؤمن فلنحيينه حياة طيبة ولنجزينهم أجرهم بأحسن ما كانوا يعملون.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वादा वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिल्लाह अम्मा बाद। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Today we are going to listen about Tafsirul Quran of Surah Fatiha part 7. Now we are going to listen about Ar-Rahman name. It is after Allah's name the first highest place that name God. That name is Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman means the most gracious. In this name it have more meaning that we are going to listen now. With this name one surah is also there. Surah number 55. Ar-Rahman, the most gracious Allah. Allamal Quran, he has taught you mankind the Quran by his mercy. Khalaqal insan, he created man by his mercy. Allamaul bayan, he taught him equivalent speech by his mercy. Ash-shamsu wal qamaru bi usban, the sun and the moon run on their fixed courses by his mercy. Like that, in another surah, it came Ar-Rahman name in Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, ayat number 163. In that, and your Ilah, that is God, is one Ilah, God, Allah. La Ilah, Huwa, there is none who was the right to be worshipped but He, the most gracious, the most merciful. Like that in another surah, surah number 78, surah Naba, ayat number 37, in this also Ar-Rahman name has come. From the Lord of the heaven and the earth and whatsoever in between them, the most gracious. That means Ar-Rahman, with whom they cannot dare to speak on the day of resurrection except by his leave. Like that in another surah, Surah Maryam, surah number 19, ayat number 18, in this it came. She said, she means Maryam, verily I seek refuge with the most gracious, that is Allah, from you if you do fear Allah. Then Allah said in ayat number 26, so eat and drink and be glad, and if you see any human being, say, verily I have vowed a fast unto the most gracious, that is Allah, so I shall not speak to any human being with this being this day. Like that in another ayat of Surah Maryam 44, Allah said, Ibrahim alayhi salam has said, Ibrahim told to his father, O my father, worship not Shaitan. Verily, Shaitan has been a rebel against the most gracious. Like that in another, in next ayat 45, O my father, verily I fear the lest torment from the most gracious, that is Allah, should overtake you, so that you become a companion of Shaitan in the hellfire. Like that, in ayat number 58 of Surah Maryam, Allah said, those were unto whom Allah bestowed His grace from among the prophets of the offspring of Adam, and of those whom we carried in the ship with Noah, and of the offspring of Ibrahim, that is Abram and Israel, and from among those we guided and chose when they verses of the most gracious Allah were recited unto them. They fell down prostrate and weeping by listening that name of Ar-Rahman. Like that, another ayat of 61 of Surah Maryam, Allah said, they will enter Adna, that is paradise, everlasting gardens, which the most gracious, that means Allah, most gracious, Ar-Rahman, that is Allah, has promised to his slaves in the unseen. Verily his promise must come to pass. Like that, another ayat of Surah Maryam, ayat number 85. The day we shall gather the muttaqeen, the precious, under the most gracious, that means Ar-Rahman, Allah, like a delegation, presented before a king for honor. Like that, in Surah Maryam only, ayat number 87 to 96, Allah said, none shall have the power of intercession but such a one who has received permission or promise from the most gracious, that is Allah, Ar-Rahman. And they say, ayat number 88, and they say, the most gracious Allah has begotten a son or offspring of or children, as the Jews, Uzair, Isra, is the son of Allah. The Christians say that he has begotten a son, Jesus, and the pagan Arabs say that he has begotten daughters, that is angels and others. Like that, in ayat number 89, indeed you have brought forth said terrible evil thing. Like that, in ayat number 90 of Surah Maryam, whereby the events are almost torn and the earth is split asunder and the mountains fall in ruins. Like that, in another ayat number 91, Allah said that they ascribe a son or offspring or children, the most gracious, that is Allah. But if it is not suitable for the majesty of the most gracious Ar-Rahman, that is Allah, that he should beget a son or offspring or children. Like that, in ayat number 93 of Surah Maryam, there is none in the heavens and the earth but comes unto the most gracious Ar-Rahman, that is Allah, as a slave. Verily he knows each of them and has counted them a full counting. Like that, in ayat number 95 of Surah Maryam, and every one of them will come to him alone on the day of resurrection, without any helper or protector or defender. Like that, of Surah Maryam, ayat number 96, verily those who believe in the oneness of Allah and in his messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and work deeds of righteousness, the most gracious Ar-Rahman, that is Allah, will bestow love for them in the hearts of the believers. Like that, another surah, Surah Anbiya, surah number 21, ayat number 26, Allah said, and they say the most gracious Ar-Rahman, that is Allah, has begotten a son or children, glorify to him. It is repeated ayat. So we will see next ayat of surah number 43, ayat number 81. Say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if the most gracious Allah had a son or children, or as you pretend, then I am the first of the Allah's worshippers who deny the refute is this claim of yours, and the first to believe in is Allah alone and testify that he has no children. Like that, in another surah, surah number 19, Surah Maryam, ayat number 75, Allah said, say, O Muhammad, whoever is in error, the most gracious Allah will extend the rope to him until when they see that which they were promised, either the torment or the hour, they will come to know who is worst in position and who is weaker in the force. This is the answer to the questions. Like that, in another ayat, another surah, Surah Yasin, surah number 36, ayat number 11, Allah said, you can only warn him who follows the remainder, that is the Quran, and fears the most gracious Allah, that is Allah unseen. Bear you such one the glad tidings of forgiveness and a generous reward, that is paradise. Like that in Surah Yasin, Surah number 36, ayat number 23, Allah said, "Shall I take besides him ilah, gods? If the most gracious Ar-Rahman, that is Allah, intends me any harm, their intercession will be of no use for me whatsoever, nor can they save me." Like that in another surah, Surah Mulk, Surah number 67, ayat number 29, Allah said, "Say, He is the most gracious, that is Allah. In Him we believe and in Him we put our trust. So you will come to know who it is that is in manifest error." Like that in Surah Mulk, Surah number 67, ayat number 20, Allah said, "Who is he besides the most gracious, that is a Rahman, that can be an army to you to help you? The disbelievers are in nothing but delusion." Like that in another surah, Surah Sajda, Surah number 42, ayat number 2, Allah said, "A revelation from Allah, the most gracious, that means Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, Ar-Rahim." Like that Surah Zukhruf, Surah number 43, ayat number 33, Allah said, "And where it is not that mankind would have become one of the community, all disbelievers desiring worldly life only, we would have provided for those who disbelieve in the most gracious Ar-Rahman, that is Allah, silver roofs for their houses and elevators whereby they ascend." Like that in Surah Taha, Surah number 20, ayat number 108, this is the last ayat. On that day mankind will follow strictly the voice of Allah's caller, no crookedness, that is without going to the right or left of the voice will they show him Allah's caller, and all voices will be humbled for the most gracious. Most gracious means Ar-Rahman, Allah, and nothing shall you hear but the low voice of their footsteps. So we can see in Quran that Ar-Rahman name has came more times. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.